Did you know that what you eat for breakfast could be affecting your memory by lunchtime? That's right, blood sugar spikes, even in people who aren't diabetic, can silently damage your brain over time. When you eat refined carbohydrates, think white bread, pastries, sugary cereals, your blood sugar can shoot up quickly. This triggers a surge of insulin, the hormone that helps store sugar, but repeatedly spiking blood sugar can set off a chain reaction in your brain. First, high blood sugar promotes inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the key drivers of cognitive decline. It attacks neurons and the connections between them, which are crucial for memory. Second, sugar spikes lead to oxidative stress. That's a fancy term for the chemical damage that free radicals do to your brain cells. Oxidative stress has been linked to Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. And there's more. Blood sugar swings impair your brain's ability to clear out beta amyloid, the protein that forms plaques in Alzheimer's disease. In other words, each spike makes it harder for your brain to detoxify itself. But it doesn't stop there. Rapid glucose fluctuations also disrupt the hippocampus, the part of your brain that's essential for forming new memories. Studies show that even short-term spikes can reduce hippocampal activity, leading to forgetfulness and impaired learning. Now here's the good news. You don't have to be diabetic to protect your memory. Eating whole fiber, rich foods, vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains helps keep blood sugar steady. Plant-based fats like nuts and seeds slow digestion and reduce post-meal spikes, and pairing carbohydrates with protein further blunts the sugar surge. Exercise is also a powerful tool. Even a brisk 10-minute walk after meals can help your muscles absorb glucose and prevent it from overwhelming your brain. So, the takeaway is simple. Frequent blood sugar spikes aren't just about weight gain or diabetes risk, they're quietly harming your memory and increasing your risk for cognitive decline. By choosing whole foods, balancing your meals, and moving your body, you can protect your brain and keep your memory sharp well into your later years. Remember, what's on your plate today could determine what you remember tomorrow. Let's keep our brains fueled, not fried. Even people with normal blood sugar aren't immune. Eating refined carbs like white bread, pastries, or sugary drinks causes rapid spikes in glucose, forcing the body to release large amounts of insulin. Over time, these repeated surges can stress neurons, disrupt communication between brain cells, and gradually impair memory and learning pathways. When blood sugar rises sharply, it triggers inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. At the same time, it increases the production of free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells. This combination of chronic inflammation and oxidative stress harms neurons, weakens connections in the brain, and speeds up memory loss and cognitive decline. Frequent blood sugar surges interfere with the brain's natural cleanup system, reducing its ability to remove beta amyloid, a protein that accumulates into plaques in Alzheimer's disease. Over time, these sticky deposits build up, disrupting neuron function and communication, increasing the risk of memory loss and accelerating the progression of cognitive decline. Rapid swings in blood glucose put stress on the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. These fluctuations impair its ability to form and store new memories, weaken neural connections, and slow learning processes. Repeated exposure over time can shrink hippocampal function, making it harder to retain information and recall experiences accurately. Choosing whole, fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains slows glucose absorption, preventing sharp blood sugar spikes. Pairing carbs with protein and healthy plant-based fats further stabilizes glucose levels. Even simple post-meal activity, like a brisk walk, helps regulate blood sugar, supporting neuron health and preserving memory over time.